I was a civil servant for 12 years before I left to England to read law, and I came back, started my own business instead before joining the program at SIM. Well, I thought I could use my skills in an alternative industry such as the advanced manufacturing industry. I had a very enriching experience during 6 months. So the lecturers have given us the inner perspectives of the workings of the industry, their thoughts, and also how we could apply what we have learned in the near future when we join the advanced manufacturing industry. Basically, SIM sent my resume across to the various players in the industry, in the advanced manufacturing industry, and so one of the major players in the pharmaceutical industries, Bayer, basically took notice of my CV and offered me an opportunity to join them on the industrial attachment. 2 months later, they extended this 2 months industrial attachment to a practical training program with them. So I'm currently working with Bayer on their cybersecurity governance issues in ASEAN with regards to regulatory frameworks in the various countries. I think the program is very, very informative, very enriching. You get to learn things which you've never thought were around, especially in advanced manufacturing, especially if you're not from the advanced manufacturing sector. It can be a different ballgame, but I think it's very, very educative, informative experience.